Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, okay. So, brother, last time we were finished lesson number 11. I'm just going to recap or revise it again so you can recall it. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. So, this is lesson number 11 and it is about standing kasra and standing dhamma. So, we have completed standing fatha in the last class. So, standing fatha was looks like a straight line at the top of the letter. And the sound of standing fatha was the same as fatha, but we have to stretch that for 2 seconds.
Correct.
Now, next we have the standing kasra. So this is the standing kasra. Standing kasra looks like again straight line as same as standing fatha, but it will comes in the bottom. And the sound of standing kasra is same as kasra, but we stretch it for 2 seconds.
Correct.
Okay, so first of all, read A'udhu Billah and Bismillah.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Hmm. Okay, so first of all, read this letter Alif with Kasra.
إي
Okay, next.
هي
Yes, next.
ي
Yes, now this one.
إي
No, no, no. Now we have Alif with standing Kasra. So the sound will be same as you already knew. The Alif doesn't have sound. What we do, we just read the standing Kasra sound. Standing Kasra sound is
إي.
the, yeah, the same as Kasra, but we just need to stretch it for
2 seconds.
2 seconds. So stretch it. E.
إي
Next.
ي
He. No, he.
ي
It's not ye. It's not ya. It's ha.
هي ي
Okay, now read wow with Dhamma.
وو
Yes.
وو
Yes. Next.
أو يو
It's not ya.
is ha.
Hmm.
Ooh,
Who.
who.
Hmm. Now this is standing Dhamma. Okay, the standing Dhamma looks like a Dhamma but upside down.
Correct.
So whenever you have a shape looks like a tiny wow, we call it Dhamma. And when the same shape upside down, so then we call it standing Dhamma. And one more thing is that if they both comes together on a same letter, so then it will become double Dhamma.
Uno.
Yes, double Dhamma.
Tabudamo.
Okay, so now read wow with standing Dhamma.
Uh, woo,
Yes, stretch it. Woo.
woo,
Hmm. Next.
woo,
Hmm. Next.
who.
Okay, now we need to start the exercise. Okay, so all of the previous signs you will see in this exercise like standing fatha, standing kasra, standing dhamma. Okay, so be careful.
E. La, ila, noon.
It's not noon.
No, it's not noon. It's ila ni.
No, not noon as well.
Oh, ila, ila fi,
Yes, but you need to stretch it more.
ila fi,
Yes, ilafi.
ila fi.